What's going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here. Do apologize not putting out any videos this week. Kind of had a busy week this week. There's no point in really doing an update this week. This has been actually my worst week in probably the last 6 weeks. I'm only up a couple $100. Started the week up a couple thousand, and had a couple of bad trades. One on HALB this week. Jumped in and bought it at the high. I thought this thing was going to break out. It dumped. Lost a full penny on that. Was about to cut my losses quickly. Thought at the end of the day it might break out, and it just kind of dumped. And then had AIHS. I'm so aggravated with this one, my guys. Got in this one day before yesterday, and sat on it for a couple days, and ended up taking a not a huge loss, kind of a small loss, only to watch as soon as I sold it, this thing jumps right back, and I would have made 10 cents on it. So I ended up losing about 7 cents on the trade, but I ended up, if I would have just hung on to it for another couple hours, I would have ended up making about a dime on the trade. Those are the ones that get me mad. But regardless, I'm not here to talk about the week that it was. I'm still up on the week, so I can't complain, but it's just a very, very, very average week. But I kind of want to have an update on a stock that we've been talking about quite a bit over the past few weeks. Been doing a lot of research, and I just loaded up today for my longer term account on a stock that obviously we've talked about probably the better part of the last month, maybe 5-6 times, and that's DSGT, DSG Global. These guys had a nice pullback today. Just 2 days ago, they hit a high of 33.3 cents, so 0.333. Had a nice pullback today to close the day down about 7.5% at 0.235. They had some good PR today that they are partnering with Skywell Automotive, and they will be offering electric vehicle buses now, which is just huge with these guys, I think. And you could ask, why DSGT? Why am I talking about these guys? I actually think this might be one of the better swing trades for the next few weeks, the next couple months in the market right now. This is obviously in the single hottest sector in the stock market over the past 3-4 months, which is the EV sector. This is the only pure EV play that is under $1, and at 23.5 cents, I think it's a steal right now. Their subsidiary Imperium Motors will be opening their experience center in Fairfield, California, which is prime, expensive real estate, nested in Cordella Junction. This is the heart of the EV universe in the United States right now. They have some extraordinary news over the last month. They have they've paid. Obviously, we've already talked about this. They've paid off all their convertible notes, and for the first time in over 2 years will have no dilution to their shares. They have linked an exclusive distribution deal, or they have exclusive distribution rights with 2 ready to distribute, like these vehicles are ready to go, EV manufacturers. One, Johnway Group, and the other one, Skywell, both Chinese EV manufacturers. They offer electric golf carts, slow EVs, and buses. For obviously, these buses can be used, and these small vehicles can be used for universities, golf courses, hotels, resorts, airports, high-tech campuses, and theme parks, and more. They also offer high-speed EVs, such as their Terra E pickup truck, which compares to the Toyota Tacoma, Ford Ranger, and Chevy Colorado. The SUV EV that they have is the ET5 SUV, compared to the Frisker Ocean EV SUV. Now, why I like this is the Ocean's not going to be available probably for another 1.5 years, until 2022. So this has already got a jump on the market, and like I said, it's not going to be available until 2022. These guys plan on having their vehicle available probably by the end of this year or the first quarter next year. They will also offer EV buses. They'll soon have sedans, sports style sedans and sports vehicles. One of the most interesting pieces of news is what they announced on September 22nd. DSG Global, they are considering a spinoff of a subsidiary, Imperium Motors. Now, they're going to be offering this to other publicly traded companies and SPACs. This would greatly benefit, in my opinion, DSGT shareholders. Because they have about a market cap of about 13 million, and the upside is huge when you consider that just in California alone the EV market is billions. So with a small market cap like that and them getting into this, and then they plan to retain majority rights to Imperium Motors but also spin it off. So this would be huge for DSGT shareholders. Like I said, when you consider its target market in California alone is worth billions, this is going to be crazy. Now, I expect some exciting PRs to be coming up probably over the next few weeks. They're going to be opening their experience center. I also expect them to announce deliveries of vehicles to their experience center. The experience center is legit. In fact, on their Twitter, they have pictures of the experience center, and also someone else had dropped on a Twitter page someone driving by the experience center. It's legit, and that's what kind of got me excited about this, because you always got to worry with these OTC stocks. Are they pushing bullshit at people? Excuse my language, but are they pushing a bunch of crap at people where they're selling a story, and now because the EV sector is the hot sector, they're just trying to jump in and pump PRs to pump their stock up and now dump the stock. Like I said, what I really like about it is the fact that they paid off all their convertible notes, so there is no more dilution to the stock, and the fact that that experience center is opening. The other exciting PR that I like is that they're going to be doing updates on this spinoff, the SPAC, or offering it to SPACs. This could be huge for the company, and I do expect this to, like I said, I expect this stock price probably to get around 50 cents. Tomorrow I do expect a boost in the stock. It had a nice pullback. Right around 22 to 24 cents has been a real good support over the last few weeks. And every time it's gotten down here, it's popped back up into the right around the 28 to 30 cent range. With the high of 33.3 cents or 0.333, I expect this to break those highs. I don't know about tomorrow, but possibly tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday. I expect this thing to break those highs and try to push towards that 40 cent range. So like I said, I loaded up in my long-term account. I may be making a trade in my short-term account tomorrow, just depending on the price action. But I just wanted to bring this this update of this company up to you guys, because again, and I'm also letting you know I did jump in this. Full disclosure, this is not as some of these other. I'll just leave the word, you could fill in the blank, of some of these YouTubers that are actually being paid by companies to promote companies. I'm only promoting companies that I will put my own hard-earned money in, and you know what I mean? If I like it, I'll put my money in, and I'll let you guys know about it as well too. And obviously with a channel of only about shortly under 1,000 subscribers, we're not really pumping anything, and we all know that. So this is just obviously. I am not a financial advisor. I am just giving you guys what I think. I really like this stock. As you know, I've been pumping this stock and talking about pumping this stock just because I said that. I've been pushing, for everyone to take a look at this stock from down at 7 cents. 10 cents just a couple weeks ago, and when I put it in my video for my mid term swing trade video, and hey, it's paid off because it was 10 cents when I mentioned it in that video, and now we're trading close to 30 cents, or actually now close to 20 cents, but we hit a high of 30 cents, so that was a triple on that if you took advantage of that, even a double if you only took a small piece of it. So I just wanted to bring you an update on that company, because I've been doing a lot of research. Before I jump in and put anything into my long-term account, I always do my due diligence on these, and obviously I've been doing my due diligence on this company for quite some time. And I think this thing, who knows where it can go. Like I said, this is the only pure EV play that is under $1 right now, and it looks like things are starting to really pick up for them. The fact that they have distribution ready vehicles ready to be pumped out first quarter 2021. This really excites me with the fact that they're opening their experience center. They said by the end of October, so we only have a week or two left before that. And if they open the experience center, they're going to have some vehicles in there, so they will be announcing some delivery of some vehicles to that experience center. So I think this is a lot of exciting news, and the fact that on the 22nd they also said that they're going to be bringing updates about that spin-off for Imperium Motors, which could be huge for the stock, and I could see this sending the stock to at least 50 cents, if not $1. So that's all I got for you today. As always, please like, please share, please subscribe. I will have a complete week update tomorrow, and tomorrow being Friday, I will have that complete week recap tomorrow or Saturday. I may put it in again with the OTC Saturday video, and then we will have our watch list on Sunday. As always, please like, please share, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, put them in the comment section below, and let's get that money, traders.